Hi there, there's your serial number. I had to take off the store numbers there. Anyways, 1415 SPX.
Go ahead.
All cards. Ooh, we gotta find it. There we go. Inserts, commons. It's got a logo on it. It's coming to you. Oh, the sticker. I forgot about the sticker. Oh, bonus pack. Empty books.
Alright, we got a thick card.
Oh, I like thick cards.
We got Adam Henrique, the Devils. We got rookies.
Holy crap, look at that card.
Teuvo Teravainen for the Chicago Blackhawks. Is it numbered? Yep, out of 50. 12 out of 50. Big patch. Teuvo Teravainen's.
Autograph that says go.
Jokeri? Is that his Finland team?
Yeah, it could be.
Cool.
It was a very nice card. Nicholas Backstrom, Washington. Pekka Rinne, Nashville. SPX rookie, Kevin Hayes, New York Rangers. Number 120. Got a pretty little white card, always come in handy. Henrik Sedin, Vancouver.
We got Zach Parise. We have a SPX Retro rookie, Seth Griffith for the Boston Bruins. Retro rookie, pretty blank white one. A Jason Palmaville and a Tuukka Rask.
We have a Henrik Zetterberg, Detroit. Jonathan Toews, Chicago. Always good when you pull one of their cards. We have another rookie, Joey Hishin. Autograph out of $3.99, Colorado. I am way off the screen. Look at that. There you go. It's another beauty. We have Sergei Bobrovsky, Columbus. And we have Steve Yzerman, Detroit.
We got Alex Ovechkin base card. We have a SPX Rookies for the Chicago Blackhawks, Philip Deneau. Number 117. Philip Deneau. White spacer. We got a Wayne Gretzky base card and a Drew Doughty base card.
That Wayne Gretzky was Edmonton. Steve Mason, Philly. We have Adam Glendening for Chicago. What is this, a retro?
Yep, those are the retro ones.
Retro. Way off the screen again. Pretty little white thing. Mark Messier, New York Rangers. And Anze Kopitar, LA.
Claude Giroux for the Flyers. We have Ryan O'Reilly for the Avalanche. We have another retro SPX. Jonathan Toews, Chicago Blackhawks. Pretty white filler and Dustin Byfuglien for the Winnipeg Jets.
We have a Jamie Benn, Dallas. Carey Price, Montreal. We have an SPX rookie, Colin Smith, Colorado. Pretty little white thing. Ryan Johansson, Columbus.
We got Duncan Keith for the Chicago Blackhawks. We have an SPX rookie for the Anaheim Ducks, Chris Wagner.
Watch my Wagner.
Cody Hodgson for the Sabres, and Ryan Nugent-Hopkins for the Oilers.
Cam Ward, Carolina. Taylor Hall, Edmonton. We have a rookie inaugural materials. Winnipeg Jets, Adam Lowry. That's a nice looking card. There you go. I say I like these cards. Scott Hartnell, Columbus. Guy Lafleur, Montreal.
We got Yaroslav Halak for the Islanders. We got Shea Weber for the Nashville Predators. You got Matt Duchene for the Colorado Avalanche.
Winning materials.
Martin St. Louis for the Rangers. I guess it is a jersey, isn't it? Yeah. I did show it. And Pavel Datsyuk for the Detroit Red Wings.
Some dinky little card.
Yeah.
Ryan Getzlaf, Anaheim. Craig Anderson, Ottawa. We have Claude Giroux, Retro, Philadelphia. White little filler. James Van Riemsdyk for Toronto.
Wow. Nice autographed rookie card. Leon Draisaitl for the Edmonton Oilers. Autographed. Finite rookie. Number 11 out of 49.
Wow.
Nice card.
Yes, beautiful. Congratulations to those who bought. Looking forward to the next couple of box breaks. Thank you. See ya!